In this video, I will show you how to fix replace audio not working on Instagram. So for that, first of all, open Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. From here, check if there is any update button available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is already up to date, then let's go back. Click and hold on to the Instagram icon. Then click on More Features. Go to App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here, click on Clear Cache written in bright red. After that, you can simply click and hold on to the power button. Turn this slider upward to restart your phone. And if it's still not fixed, then you can simply wait for some time because Instagram has recently released this feature. So it might take some time to reach all of the users and all of the devices. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.